Addmino 18 tutorial, restructuring treatment. Before. Hair check. Hair reborn cleanser. Moisten the hair and apply hair reborn cleanser. Massage the scalp and hair until a rich foam is obtained. Repeat the operation if necessary. Hair reborn elixir. Divide the hair into sections and apply hair reborn elixir evenly. And leave on for 5 minutes. Hair reborn mask. Without rinsing the product previously applied, apply hair reborn mask evenly. And leave on for 5 minutes. Rinse consciously. Hair reborn leave-in. Apply hair reborn leave-in evenly all over the hair. Proceed with the desired styling. Before and after.